Look at that. How beautiful is this? A creamy, dreamy dessert ready in just 5 minutes. This is semolina pudding that melts in your mouth. And the best part, you only need a few simple ingredients to make. So let's get started. Take a saucepan on a low medium heat, add milk, semolina, sugar, or pinch of salt. Add saffron and keep stirring until it's thickened. Keep an eye on it while stirring to avoid lumps and it doesn't burn. This is the perfect consistency. Now add vanilla essence, mix well and then remove from the heat. Once it's cooled down, pour into the small grease bowl and spread it evenly. Let it rest to room temperature. While it's cooling down, let's make the topping. In a small pot, add 1.5 tablespoon of milk, 3 tablespoon of heavy cream, half teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir constantly over the medium heat until the mixture thickens. On this stage, remove from the heat. Spread the cream over the semolina pudding, making sure to smooth it out evenly. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then chill in the fridge for a few hours. Make simple syrup. For the syrup, heat 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, mix it well. Then add half lemon juice and few strings of saffron. Mix it well. Let it dissolve and thicken slightly, then remove from the heat and let it cool down. Now take out the pudding from the bowl and keep in the plate. Drizzle the syrup over the chilled pudding and top it with crushed pistachio. Look at this. And there you have it, your creamy, dreamy, and absolutely delicious dessert. Time to dig in and enjoy every bite. If you try this recipe, then let me know in the comment section how it's turned out. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Till then, bye bye.